Let's talk all about the KeriKit Joy Demi. Hey everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel for another fun review. Today I am sharing all about the KeriKit Joy Demi with you guys. I am a huge fan of this bag. I used it last week when I took my husband to the hospital for some surgery, and it was literally the perfect bag. It held absolutely everything that he and I needed, so that's exactly how I have it packed up today for you guys. I can't wait to show you guys how much this bag can hold though, because even though it's a smaller bag, I want to say it's on the mid-size range for backpacks, but for me personally, it's just the right size. So I have the Joy Demi here in the gorgeous leather warm gray color. It is so pretty. You have this gorgeous, luxurious, full grain leather in this beautiful gray color, which definitely has some warm tones to it. You also have this really pretty matte gold hardware all throughout the bag, on the zipper pulls, the zippers, the KeriKit logo on the front here. It's just a stunning bag, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this V pattern on the front pocket. It is so pretty and classy. I love it. So this bag has so many pockets, and I think I probably put something in each one. And normally, you guys know in my videos, I don't pack a bag to the brim, but for this trip out to the hospital, I needed to utilize like every pocket. So let's go over the dimensions of this bag for you guys real quick. The Joy Demi is 12.6 inches long, 14.57 inches high, and it is 6.3 inches wide. So you have a nice wide bottom on this bag, which I love. Another thing I really like about this bag is that you have feet. So this gorgeous leather will stay nice and new looking for a real long time. I love when they add feet onto bags. In KeriKit, I think they add them onto like every bag, which I love. So first I want to go over the outside features of the bag, and then we will jump onto the inside for the packing portion of the video. I did want to mention that this bag does come in a larger size as well. And if you guys missed my Joy XL video, I will link it right here for you. That is a fabulous bag, and it comes in a recycled nylon material, which makes it a lot lighter weight. The leather bags weigh a bit more. This bag features a double zipper opening that goes a little over halfway down the sides of the bag here, as you guys can see. You have an insulated pocket, one on each side of the bag that is elastic, so you can fit baby bottles in here. You can also fit in water bottles. This is a good size one to show you guys. You also have D-rings, one on each side of the bag, one there and one there, which means that you can hang this bag on a stroller or a shopping cart if you guys have stroller clips. This makes a fabulous diaper bag, you guys. I wish that I was still in diapers with my kids. Then I could show you guys how to pack this up as a diaper bag, because I know it would be amazing. You also have another double zipper opening on the front of the pocket here. And this is a good size pouch for all of your mommy things, to keep them separate from baby things or just separate from everything else in the main compartment. You also have another pocket in the front here, which is a nice flat pocket. And each of these zipper pulls comes with a leather zipper pull attached to it. But these zipper pulls are really nice. They have a good weight to them, so they're easy to pull. You also have another zipper compartment up here at the very top. I think this would be a great pocket to hold like a chapstick or something small like that that you want to access pretty frequently. You also have a really nice rolled grab handle at the top of the bag, so you can easily lift this in and out of your car. Now let's talk about the back of the bag, because there's actually quite a bit going on back here. You have these really comfortable leather padded straps. I want to say they're about 1.5 inches wide, but they're really comfortable and very adjustable. Look how much slack I have. You guys know I'm 5'2", and I have it this tight. So if you're a lot taller than me, or even just a little taller than me, you'll have plenty of slack to deal with. But these are really comfortable. I really enjoyed wearing this bag. So on the very back here, you have a really cool magnetic snap pocket. So it's a very quiet magnet, which I love, but it'll just contain your things so that nothing will fall out. You also have another zipper pocket right here. It's a nice little hidden pocket to keep important things in. And then another great thing about this back pocket here is that it actually has a zipper down here. So if you wanted to use this bag over your suitcase handles at the airport, this is great for that. So I want to show you guys that your arm can go all the way under, but if you want to use it as a normal pocket, then you can. It's so great. I love this bag so much. And the size, like I said, is just perfect for me on a daily basis. I love it. All right, so now that we've gone over the outside of the bag, let's start going through all these pockets. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the side pockets here. I have my phone. This is an iPhone 14 Pro, and it fits perfectly in there. I also wanted to mention, I really like this design on the side pocket. I love all the details with KeriKit bags. These are so nice, you guys. Also, if you are new to KeriKit, I would love if you guys would shop with me. Use code kateschwanke at checkout, and I will also link you below. On this side of the bag, I have my Simple Modern bottle, and this is a great fit in here. This pocket is pretty good size. You could fit an even bigger bottle than this one in there, but this was just exactly what I needed for the hospital for me. My husband was there for a good 4 to 5 hours, so I had to have everything I would possibly need for myself and for him during that time, and this was just great. I love this bag. So let's go ahead through the front pockets here. Let's start with this skinny one on the very front. So down here, I just have a lot of small and flat things. So I have a little bag with some medication in it for me. We left pretty early in the morning, and I wanted to make sure that I had my medications in case I forgot to take them that early in the morning. Also down in here, I have some earbuds. They're a tangled mess, but there they are. I also have a pack of gum, and I have a panty liner down in there as well. So even though it's a pretty small pocket, it still feels pretty roomy, and as you can see, I was able to fit quite a bit in there. So love that front pocket. Let's go ahead and go through this pocket next. Nice smooth zippers on this bag. You guys can see this gorgeous KeriKit lining. This is their jacquard lining that is wipeable and water resistant. So if you get a spill in there, you can easily wipe it. On the very top here, I have my glasses. While I was at the hospital, I had to do a lot of work on my channel and things like that, and my blog. And so I wanted to make sure that I had absolutely everything I needed, and I definitely need my glasses whenever I work. So I have that on top. This is what I have for the rest of the things in here. There's a nice sized leather slip pocket back here, and I actually was able to fit my Jujube small set piece in here. And in here I just have some things for me. So I have a chapstick, a lip gloss, an oil absorbing roller ball, and a folding hairbrush with a mirror. So that just holds all of my things that I need on a daily basis. In front of that, I have my full-size amber wallet by Lily Jade. So you can fit a full-size wallet down in here. You guys know I like to carry smaller wallets on the daily, but since I was at the hospital, I needed to have absolutely everything on me, so it called for a full-size wallet this time. So now that we have this pocket empty, you can see everything that's in there. You have this nice pocket right here that is leather. I love that. You have this little tiny D-ring here that you can clip things onto. You also have 2 pen loops there. So if I needed to carry a couple pens with me, I could just stick them in there and not worry about them marking up my bag or anything like that. So that's the front pocket there. I don't have anything in this pocket up on top here, but I did want to show you guys that as long as it's something flat, you can put it up there. So I think like an ID card, chapstick, and small things like that. Maybe even a skinny little pack of tissues would go up there. Let's go ahead and go on the back because I actually do have things in here this time. As I mentioned, I nearly filled up every pocket, and that top one that I just showed you is the only one that I think I didn't put anything into. So let's go ahead and start with this side zipper pocket here. In here I have our face masks. At the hospital, they're still requiring you to wear one. So I have my husband's in here, and I have my Sailor Moon one in here. And that's all that I had in that pocket, but it was a great place to keep those separate from everything else. In this very back pocket here, I actually have my husband's paperwork from when we were at the hospital. So this is like discharge instructions and things like that. And that's all that I had in there, but this is a great pocket. I love that it's dual function. Right now, as I showed you, I have it set up as a pocket, but then once again, if you unzipper this pocket down here, then it actually becomes a great travel bag. So I love that. So that is all that I have on the outside of the bag. So let's go ahead and jump onto the inside. double zipper opening once again. This is how I have it packed up. As you can see, right off the bat, I have my headphones. I didn't want to bother anybody else with all of my noise from when I was editing videos and things like that at the hospital, so I brought these. These are actually my husband's, but we really, really like these headphones because they are pretty compact once you fold them up like this, and they're easy to travel in this bag, but it was just the perfect fit right there, so I brought those with me. And now you can basically see what else I have in there. So let's start going through this. This bag has so many pockets. I love it. Let's go ahead and start with the very back. So I have a laptop. This is a 13-inch laptop. The website says this holds a 12-inch laptop, and I think that would be best because this one is a little bit tight in there at 13 inches, but it does fit in this back pocket still. This little back pocket here that I had the laptop in is padded, and it also has a snap closure. So if you didn't want to put your laptop in there, you want to keep a change pad or something like that, you could. And then if you had smaller items in there, you could snap it closed to keep them contained a little bit better. But that's what it looks like inside now. There's also a nice leather trimmed zipper pocket in the very back here. Let's go through that. In here I have my husband's things, so he had to give me his phone. That's an iPhone 14 Pro. He also gave me his wallet, which is pretty slim, but he has a lot in there. And then he also gave me his keys. So I was able to hold all of those things in that back pocket for him. There's nothing else in there, but it is a nice deep pocket. It's pretty roomy. Right above that, you actually have this little clip here, and you can hang your keys from this. You can hang a passy from this to keep it clean and away from everything else. I love that addition. Here is that pocket back there with the snap closure. So in front of that, I have a jujube medium set piece here, and I just have snacks and things. I was there for a long time, and I wanted to make sure I didn't have to leave very often, and so I just brought my own snacks, and it was great. It was a great idea. So I have some fruit snacks down in there, some almonds, a Nature Valley bar, a spoon, and some applesauce. I tried to keep it healthy. No reason to bring a bunch of junk food with me. Also in the main compartment there, I brought 2 books. These are some of my favorites. So these just, help keep me busy when I was finally done working. So that is how much space you have in the very bottom of the bag. It's great. This is such a roomy bag for not being a huge bag. I love that. On the sides of the bag here, you have elastic pockets that are great for holding water bottles and things like that, or baby bottles. So you have one on each side. I don't have anything in this one over here because on this side of the bag is where I had my water bottle. So it kind of took up the space on the side of the bag. In this pocket here though, this was wrapped up nicely until I pulled it out. But this is the charging cable for that laptop. If I ran out of power, I wanted to be able to continue working. So I had that. We are almost done. On the very front of the bag, you have even more pockets, which is so great. And in here, they are both elastic as well. So you could technically fit even more baby bottles in here if you needed to, if you were using this as a diaper bag. So over here in this pocket, I have a pill case with some allergy medicine. I also had some Advil in there, but I ended up taking it while I was there because I started to get a headache. I also have my inhaler down in that pocket and my lotion stick. That's all I had in this pocket here. In this pocket, I have some tissues and some hand sanitizer. And that is all that I had in my KeriKit Joy Demi bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had such a great time using this bag all week long. It has been so beautiful to look at, so luxurious. I'm just obsessed with this warm gray color. It is so good. And then paired with this pale gold hardware is so pretty. I'm totally obsessed with this bag. This is definitely staying in my closet and getting used for many, many years to come. I love it and I highly recommend it. If you guys are looking to purchase this bag or any of the other KeriKit bags that I've already reviewed, I would love if you guys would shop with me. Don't forget to use code kateschwanke at checkout. If you enjoyed this video and found it fun and helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe to my channel while you're here if you're new. Thanks for watching!